Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to extract files using WinRAR. First you need to install the WinRAR. For that you have to go to the browser, open the browser where you have to search winrar.com. After that you have to download it from here. After downloading it you have to go to the zip file which you want to extract. Right click on it and then go to open with and then go to the WinRAR. Click on WinRAR and you will see this option where you have to go to the extract tool. After selecting it, you can see that it is showing where to extract, the location. After that you need to make sure it is extract and replace files and ask before overwrite. After that you need to go to the OK, press OK, and you can see it has created a folder here with the files which we wanted to extract. And also you can do it same other way. After you open it with the WinRAR, after opening it with WinRAR, you can just select and drag it outside wherever you want. As you can see, I have dragged it outside. This is also the another way using WinRAR. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, make sure you like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.